Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you now how to turn on or off your mobile internet sharing to laptop. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and see how we can turn on and share mobile internet with our laptop. So what we want to do is to go ahead and swipe down right here on our phone. Continue to swipe down again, and the first thing first, we need to make sure we turn on our mobile data. Just tap on here and your mobile data is on. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and tap on your hotspot. So you need to on your hotspot right here. Now the mobile data is on, then hotspot also have turned on. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and see how we can turn this on with our laptop and start browse internet. So for that, what you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here on your PC. Click on here. Once you click on that, go ahead and click on this particular global icon right here. Turn it on. So once it's turned on, then it's going to identify your phone. So in this tutorial, I'm using itel right here. So click on the itel. Then this is going to pump up whatever type of phone you are using. You are going to see the name, provided that you have turned on your hotspot and your internet. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and check on connect automatically. Once you click on connect automatically, click on connect, then allow it to connect in a few seconds. Everything depends on the type of internet and how fast your internet speed is. Okay. So you have successfully connected, just like what you see right here. Now, for a proof that you have connected to internet, let's go ahead and open a browser. So I'm going to open up my Firefox browser right here. So after opening up my Firefox browser, I will go ahead and search for something. I will search for TikTok and hit enter. So here we go. You can see now that the internet has loaded and everything about TikTok open up right here. Now, how do you turn off this particular mobile sharing data? It's a very simple thing. What you need to do is to go ahead and click on this particular arrow right here from your PC. Go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi signal icon. So once you click on it, this is going to pop up. Go ahead and click on disconnect. Now you have disconnect right here. Now, just like what you see right here, once you disconnect, this is going to pump up. Now let us prove that we have disconnect. So you can simply come back right here, and then you see this icon right here. It says not connected or connections are available right here. If you go ahead and create a new tab right here and try to search for something right now, so let's search for google.com and you see where you are. We are having trouble finding the site. It's that simple. So this is how to turn on or turn off your mobile sharing internet from your phone to your laptop. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.